Hi, I'm Rick Perkins with Crown Castle. We are the nation's largest provider of shared communications infrastructure. Our network of cell towers, fiber, and small cells help Floridians stay connected and safe. Whether you're attending school virtually, FaceTiming with family and friends, or playing video games, if you have a passion for technology, we encourage you to keep working hard in school and one day join us in this high demand and critical industry.
Hi everyone, I'm Webster, the Chief Business Officer here at Social Mobile. We're trying to change the world through our unique private label business model that allows us to offer businesses a more affordable, scalable option for mobile devices than an off-the-shelf consumer solution would provide. We've created everything from a tablet used by food delivery companies to a vaccine dispensary used in hospitals all over the country. So at the very least, we've helped keep the world healthy and well fed. We also introduced a new initiative for 2020, inspired by COVID, of course, to donate all our surplus mobile devices to low-income and at-risk kids who are participating in distance learning programs. I look forward to connecting with you all in the future. Bye.
Hi, my name is Cari Perez, and I run General Assembly in South Florida. We are a tech education company that helps adults learn to build websites, design websites, or be a data scientist. What we do is that in 12 weeks, we allow professionals from all walks of life to have a new chance at working in technology, at startups, in the tech ecosystem, and we continue to feed great talent to these companies. We are proud to be part of Palm Beach Tech.